Hello everyone! Are you ready to transform your home decor with a personal and creative touch? Let me introduce you to an amazing Domestika course, Macramé Plant Hangers, Create Unique and Decorative Designs. Taught by the talented fiber artist and designer Alisha Ing, this course is perfect for anyone who wants to learn the beautiful art of macrame. Across 12 detailed lessons, Alisha will guide you through the basics of macrame, from understanding the materials and tools to mastering intricate knots and adding your unique flair to each design. Whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned crafter, this course will teach you how to create stunning, personalized plant hangers. Alisha, based in Las Vegas, is renowned for her vibrant macrame creations that have graced hotels and homes worldwide. With her years of experience and background in dance and music, she brings a rhythmic, inspiring approach to macrame, making it both accessible and enjoyable. Throughout the course, you'll learn how to incorporate colors and textures, explore complex patterns, and finish your projects like a pro. By the end, you'll have a beautifully crafted, two-toned plant hanger to showcase in your home or gift to a loved one. Plus, her teaching style is so engaging, you'll find yourself looking forward to every lesson. If this sounds like the creative outlet you've been searching for, don't wait. Check out the course using the link in the description, and don't forget to use the special code RODLEVEL10 to get 10% off this course or any other course on Domestika. It's time to unleash your creativity. Happy crafting, and I'll see you in the next video.